Hello everyone, here is a quick update about how to submit your assignment of any batch like batch 1, batch 2 or batch 3. So what you have to do, you have to go to CodeSandbox.io and you have to sign in using your GitHub or Google account. So once you sign in using your account, then what you can do is rather than saving your assignment, let's say HTML, CSS, JavaScript assignment into your local your computer PC, what you can do, you can solve your assignment on this website, and once your assignment is done you can share the link uh, in the WhatsApp group if you need any help. If your assignment is done, in that case what you can do, you can just put that link into the Google Sheet rather than putting done. So let me just show you how to do that. So you have to create a new sandbox. Click on this new sandbox. So if you are in batch 1, for batch 1 you have to click on this vanilla. So for batch 2 we are learning React. For that we will learn click on React. So for batch 1 let's click on vanilla. So okay, so you can see here this is your HTML file, this is your CSS file, this is your JavaScript file. You can write your code here. Let's say if you want to make a list, to-do list, so write your code here, write your CSS here, write your JavaScript here. Once you are done, what you have to do, click on the share button, and on this share button you can say can view. So you can give the view option, don't give the share option, edit option. So can view and just copy the link. So once you copy the link, now you have to go to the Google Sheet. Now what you have to do is rather than writing done here, you can just click on that and paste your link. So what the benefit of this will be, if I have to review assignment, so I can just click on this assignment and see what is your code and what is your output. And yeah, so this is the update. Rather than writing done, write paste your code sandbox link. And if you have already done this assignment, like if you have already done this, so you don't need to paste the code sandbox link. I'm telling this for future student who wants to complete this assignment. So yeah, this is the update.